Hello guys, you are watching TikTok with Ishfaq. Guys, in today's video I will tell you how to use Chatgpt. It is a new AI, artificial intelligence, robotic information website. So let's start it. First of all, in Google I will write Chatgpt. Okay, you can see this website and this. So I will click this one. Okay, for new users I want to tell in detail. So after that, opening this website, click this try chat gpt. So it will open. First of all, it will make ask you about to register, okay, your email or and your phone number. I already registered, so this chat open. Okay, so these are some example. From here you can make it light mode and dark mode. Okay, so I will prefer dark mode. So these are some example. You can ask anything, any information in this chat. Okay, for example, I want to ask who is current president of America. Joe Biden. See, now it's just like in detail it's writing. This is simple, but I want to make some more fun with this chat. Okay, let's try. Uh, Tell me a romantic uh, poem about Titanic. So let's see. There was one such ship. Now you can see it's so smart. This Chat GPT is so smart robot that it can find anything just in a half second. Now it is writing the whole poem about Titanic. What a I can't believe it. Okay, so this is so much amazing thing. You can ask anything, any article. For example, I want to write some article about write an article about digital marketing. Now see, digital marketing. See, it's so much smart and so much quick. So by this way, you can use Chat GPT for your websites, for your YouTube, for your internet, for Facebook, for article research, anything. It will provide you in a couple of seconds the whole information. And you can also check the plagiarism. There may be some 1 or 2% plagiarism in this article because it's this robot is copying all the data from different websites. So you have to check it before posting it to your website. So I hope you are enjoying this video, and thanks you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.